how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute. So yes guys, in less than 1 minute, I'm gonna show you the right way to do it easy and fast. So the only solution and the only solve that you have is you need to open the browser that you have on your phone. For example, I'm gonna use Google Chrome and then go to WhatsApp, search for WhatsApp in Google and go to the whatsapp.com website. Go to the top right here on those three lines, click on them, click on the help center option, and then go down and click on the get in touch option right here, and it will take you to this page. Now here, as you can see, it says contact WhatsApp, so you need to choose the WhatsApp that you have. For example, I have WhatsApp Messenger. If you have the WhatsApp business, you need to click on this one, but I have this one right here. Click on contact us, and here on this page you need to choose the country for the phone number. For example, I'm gonna choose Netherlands, and here you need to enter your phone number. For example, I'm gonna just choose this phone number, and here enter your email address and confirm it again, and right here you need to choose what device you have. For example, I have Android, so I'm gonna use Android, and here you need to enter the message or the problem that you have so they can help you. Then click on next, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.